Did you know Brazil is bringing a 19-year-old to the 2026 World Cup who could completely steal the show from every legend saying goodbye? Everyone is watching the farewell tours. Ronaldo's last dance with Portugal. Neymar's complicated goodbye with Brazil. England pushing for one final shot at glory. These are the stories the cameras are chasing. But quietly, Endrick walks in, 19 years old, already sharpened at Real Madrid, already playing with the kind of confidence that takes most players a decade to build. Brazil has spent years depending on Neymar to carry everything. The creativity, the pressure, the identity of an entire nation. That era is ending whether Brazil is ready or not. Endrick is the answer they did not plan for this soon. While veterans are playing for legacy, he is playing for the future. And sometimes the youngest player in the room ends up writing the biggest story. The 2026 World Cup is being sold as a farewell. It might actually be the loudest arrival we have ever seen.